Hey, good morning. Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and I'm just so happy to be alive. I went to the gas station and I asked the cashier, I said, hey, how are you? She goes, I'm okay, how are you? I said, fantastic. And she goes, fantastic, really? I'm like, yeah, I'm alive. I get to be breathing. I get another 24 above dirt to go out, hopefully live with passion. And that's kind of what I want to talk about right now, is living with passion. Like, if you do something, why do it lacklusterly? Why do it half-heartedly? Why just go through the motions? Why not do it with passion? Why not put everything you have into it? Why would you just lackadaisically just do what you gotta do? Life is not about just finding something that works financially so that you can pay the bills and do that day in and day out, and then spend a couple of hours on the weekend and enjoying your time. And it's also not about living constantly for pleasure. Happiness is actually a result of serving others. I don't know if this is coming through because I got the headphones plugged in, but I hope it is, because I've been pretty passionate. So I want to just encourage you guys to search for happiness by serving others, not by searching for happiness in itself. It's a direct result of serving others. And if you do something, do it with passion. If you work at a place and they don't appreciate you, and you're like, I'm just going to show up here and do as little as possible so I don't get fired. They don't appreciate me. They don't care about me. Well, maybe because you don't do it with passion. Do what you do with all your heart and all your might, and it'll make a difference in your own life. It'll make a difference in where you're at. They'll see that you are passionate, and they'll probably give you a promotion. And maybe you did that for a little while and they didn't notice. Well, do it longer. Do it more. Do more and do your best at everything you do, and you're going to move forward. And if you don't move forward, oh well, at least you gave it your all. I love how Coach Wooden talks about, did we win the game? No. Are we losers? No, because we gave her all. So whenever you do something, give your all, do your personal best, and in the end, you will win. And he has results to prove. He has 10 national championships. He's created so many leaders by his example. And you may be striving for something, and it may seem so far away. Well, each day you can get a little bit closer. I was talking to Liam yesterday, and I was like, hey, buddy, can you hang your book bag up? He goes, sure. I'm like, great job, you got 2 points. He's like, 2 points? What do I get points for? I'm like, you'll see, man. Wait till you get 100. What's going to happen then? He's like, can I get a bag of combos? I'm like, figured out his dream. Figured out what's going to motivate him. I'm like, yeah. He's like, what else can I do to get points? I'm like, well, you could put the dishes away. That's 10 points. He's like, that's 12 points. I'm like, if you put your clothes in your room, that's another 2 points. That'd be 14 points. He's like, man, 100 points seems so far away. How can I get to that today? I'm like, you might not get to it today, buddy. He's like, how can I get more points? So he's like running around the house trying to find stuff to do, trying to get to that 100 points. And 100 points is a lot of points for a bag of combos when stuff's worth 2 points. But if you keep working at it and keep working at it, you'll eventually get your 100 points. You'll eventually get your dream. And for Coach Wooden, it took 40 years, like 35 years of losing season after season after season. But he didn't care, because he knew where he was going. He knew what he was doing. He knew it would pay off. And I think about the Great Commission, Jesus Christ dying for our sins, and then him coming back. And our job is to help lead as many people to heaven as possible. And most of us, we just go to church on Sunday, sit in our little seat, say, oh, that makes me feel better. Then you go to work on Monday and don't say anything, don't do anything. You have no passion. So I want to encourage you to live with passion. Let people see your walk. Let people see you excited. And it's going to make a really, really big difference. I believe in you guys. I love you guys. I know you have what it takes. So I'll see you at the top, and I'll see you real soon.